To get ridge cap here. So your ridge cap can be a lot of different widths. You can choose to have a really wide one. This is actually 12 inches across, 12 and a quarter, 12 and a half. So I'm going to choose to go 5.5 inches both sides to pop my lines, and then we're going to put foam on those lines, and I'll show you that. But one of the things that comes up with the ridge cap is when you lap it over. If your driveway is pulling up this way, you don't want that lap to be very visible. It's sort of like a vinyl siding rule. So you try to make this side lap over that, and you don't see it as anything but uniform unless you come from a different direction. So that's what we did on this one. The traffic was all over there, and the laps are visible from this direction. They're not from that. So that's something to keep in mind. We'll go cut away, and we'll show you what we're going to do on the foam. Here's where we popped our lines. We measured 5.5 from each way on the peak. And this is where the foam closure is going to go. And it will go above the line. The foam closure is meant to go over top of the ribs. It has sticky stuff to hold it in place. And you can get it without being sticky if you want to put it in after the fact, after you put the ridge on. It's kind of hard, but you can do it that way. They also have a closure that breathes like a vent. So if you had a vent up here, it can breathe in and out and still keep the water out. So what we're trying to do is make sure that the water doesn't get in by driving rain and such. And so it has a male-female connection there. And then we're going above our chalk line. I've seen the roofs be so hot that this stuff would slide down the roof because it was melting the glue. So, as a rule, I don't try to get too terrible far ahead unless I think the weather's going to be clear, because the wind could make a mess and blow your stuff all over the place. I am a gambler at times though. So. You can cut it off. I'll just peel it off. Because we're going to put rake over that, so that you won't be able to see the ridge cap in this case from the end. Although I can make a decorative end, you know, where it would look pretty good. There you go. We'll break away to show you how we put down the ridge cap. On. This is a 12-inch. You can change the angles, the pitch, when you order them. I'm basically relying on my phone to kind of push me where I need to be. It's telling me, hey, I need to be a little bit fast. So I'm going to screw through into the rib. Don't usually bother with this out here because I'm going to run rake over that, and I don't need another thing to be in the way. Then I go to the other end. If you try to work it from that side, it'll end up twisting around on you, and it'll be a battle. You have to take it back and forth apart. So I don't do that. Now the other side. Then I do it every other rib from there. Believe me, I've never had one blow off. If you scratch this stuff, they got like a nail polish bottle in the color that you have, if you ask your supplier. I don't like these screws, but here I am using them. These are kind of got a self-tapping tip on, and they wobble a lot. So. All right, there you go. You just decide what direction you want, screw them off every other one, and your ridge cap is on. No water's going to blow up over and get up in the peak and then leak down whatever screw it wants to on the bottom. Every time somebody says, hey, I got a metal roof, but my roof is leaking. So where at, you know? And generally it's hit by a roof vent that's not been sealed in years, because they figure once they got a shingle or a metal roof, they don't ever have to do any maintenance, but you do. But the classic one is where they decide not to put the closure in, and therefore the wind drives that water up and goes over that and then goes down the metal through whatever hole it finds. So it's good to put the closure in, even though it's got a shingle roof below it.